Hi everyone, and welcome to the first video on the channel. If you ever wanted to learn Microsoft Excel, but didn't know where to start, you are in the right place. In this series, I'll guide you step by step from the absolute basics all the way to advanced Excel, tricks that professionals use every day. We'll start with the essentials: how to navigate Excel, enter data, format cells, and use sample formulas. Then we'll move into more powerful features like charts, pivot tables, data analysis, and automation with formulas and functions. I'll be using Microsoft Office 365 in this tutorial, but don't worry, whether you are using the same version or an older one, like Excel 2019, 2016, or even 2013, you'll still be able to follow along easily. Most of the tools and features work the same way, and I'll make sure to point out any differences when they come up. And if you stick around till the end, you'll even learn how to create smart dashboards and automate tasks using Excel tools that most people don't even know exist. What this tutorial is for: whether you are a student, a professional, or just someone who wants to boost their productivity, my goal is to make learning Excel easy and enjoyable for you. So, grab your computer, open Excel, and follow along with me step by step. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any part of this Excel journey.